You can see here, in the browser, my domain, citryweb.com is not visible and it says as parked with GoDaddy, even though I have installed a website files in it. So let's see how to fix it in GoDaddy. Once you log into GoDaddy account, you need to click My Products and enter Products page. And here, scroll down to Domain section. Next, click the Domain section and select the DNS option corresponding to the domain you want to create a subdomain. In the DNS page, you can find all the DNS records of your domain. You need to find the record that says parked and edit the value. Here, the domain is pointing to a parked page of the web host provider. You need to point the domain to the web hosting IP address. So you need to click the edit icon, and in the value field, add web hosting IP address. You can find the IP address in the web hosting account cPanel page. Or you may also find the IP address below in this DNS records. But always refer to the web hosting account's IP address and add them here. And finally, save the changes made in the DNS records page. Next, to confirm the parked domain issue is solved, search for the domain in the browser. And you can see here, the parked domain page is gone, and my site is visible in the browser. With this we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add more content.